Together, these aircraft tell the story of human ambition, from endurance and efficiency to speed, scale, and strength. They are not just machines, they are legends of the sky. First, the Rutan Model 76 Voyager, one of the most extraordinary achievements in aviation history. In 1986, this lightweight, twin-engine aircraft completed the first nonstop, unrefueled flight around the world, designed by Burt Rutan and flown by Dick Rutan and Jeana Yeager. The Voyager proved that smart aerodynamics and efficiency could overcome distance itself. It wasn't fast or large, but it was revolutionary. Next comes the Antonov An-225, the largest and heaviest airplane ever to fly. Built in Ukraine, this six-engine giant was designed to carry massive and impossible-to-move cargo. From space shuttles to power plant generators, the An-225 became a global symbol of engineering power and capability. When it took off, the ground shook, and aviation history was made. Then we have the Concorde, the most iconic passenger jet ever built. Flying at twice the speed of sound, Concorde carried passengers from London to New York in under 3.5 hours. It was a perfect blend of elegance, speed, and advanced technology. Even decades after its retirement, Concorde remains unmatched, a symbol of luxury and supersonic ambition. The Boeing 707-138 represents the dawn of the jet age. This aircraft transformed commercial travel, shrinking the world and making international flight accessible and reliable, used by airlines and governments alike. The 707 laid the foundation for modern jetliners and helped shape global aviation as we know it today. Finally, the Tupolev Tu-160, known as the White Swan, is the largest supersonic bomber ever built. With its variable sweep wings and immense power, the Tu-160 showcases Cold War engineering at its peak. It combines speed, range, and strength, remaining one of the most formidable military aircraft still in service.